This is the part 2 of our previous videos about dandelion, where I said dandelion can treat diabetes, and then it can also treat other health conditions, but due to timing we were not able to discuss the other problem. So in this part 2 I am going to take you through the second disease dandelion is capable of treating. Thank you very much for joining. If this is your first time watching us here on YouTube, Secrets of Health TV, you can subscribe to the channel. You can follow us on Facebook, Secrets of Health TV, Secrets of Health, and then ATV Media, all on Facebook. And on TikTok, you can follow us on Secrets of Health. And here on YouTube, you can follow us. You can subscribe to the channel Secrets of Health TV. Kindly join all these our platforms and continue to learn more of our teachings and lessons on herbal medicine. Herbal medicine is now the way to go. Okay, so part 2 of this video is ongoing. In case you don't know what dandelion is, let me show you dandelion before we go on to the disease it is capable of treating. Yes, this is dandelion Trasacum officinale. In part 1 we said that it is capable of treating diabetes, and I took you through the whole process of preparing it for diabetes. Now in this video, I am going to show you how you're gonna use this same dandelion to treat yourself from all liver disorder, such as hepatitis B, hepatitis C, hepatitis A, fatty liver, and so on and so forth. So if you are suffering and battling with these liver disorders, kindly watch this video all the way to the end, and don't forget to like it, and then enjoy and share. Now all you need to do is to get few of the leaves, as you can see I am doing. Get as many as you can. And this one, someone is going to ask, doctor, can we prepare it and refrigerate it? The answer is no. You cannot prepare and refrigerate it, unless maybe you can pick plenty of the leaves, dry them in the sun for some days for it to be well dried. After that, you can make a powder of it and be making your tea with it. But if you are to use it in its fresh form like this, the best way is to always prepare it daily. So if you are fortunate to have the plant around you where you live, it is growing, it is a wild plant, it doesn't need anybody's effort for it to grow. It grows effortlessly. It grows on its own. Nobody plant it. Okay, it is a wild plant. That is why it grows on the street. It grows virtually everywhere. And this one, if you are in the United States, if you are in Canada, if you are in UK, Belgium, wherever you are in the world, this one is a global plant. Yeah, there are certain plants you can only get them in Africa, and there are certain plants you can get them in what in the diaspora, in Europe, in Canada. But this one is a global plant. It's a global plant which virtually grows everywhere. You understand? So having harvested this, this much like this, a handful, you can then transfer everything into your blender. And then if you have a piece of ginger like the size of my thumb here, you can add it to it, and then pour onto it about 700 ml of water, and then you blend it for at least, blend it for it to be well blended. Right after that, you can then sieve it and to get the raw green juice. Divide this juice into 2 equal parts. Drink 1 part in the morning, 1 part in the evening. Morning and evening. Continue to be on it for not less than 3 months, and trust me, everything is going to be okay. you are going to get all the necessary benefits you are supposed to get, and God is going to heal you by his grace. And in so doing too, I will appreciate if you can check your diet, because anything you eat, it is the work of the liver to digest the food, is to scrutinize the food. It is the liver which is going to work on the food before the rest of the body will get their nutrients from it. So if you keep on eating junk foods, you keep on eating highly processed foods, you keep on drinking alcohol, you are damaging the liver. You are putting the liver in stress. You are making the liver to get destroyed. Therefore, if you really want to heal yourself, if you really want to heal your liver, my candid advice to you is to avoid, junk foods, is to avoid highly processed foods, is to avoid drinking of alcohol. I hope you understand, and that is going to go a very long way to helping you. I hope you understand. So you can blend this and start enjoying it. Like I indicated earlier, maybe you are not fortunate to get the fresh ones every day. All you have to do is to gather plenty of the leaves, bring it home, and then you dry it. If you have a dryer, those of you in the United States, those of you in Canada, Europe, and so on, you normally lack sun. You don't get enough sunshine, so you can get a dryer and dry the whole leaves. Having dried the whole leaves, you can then make it into a powdered form, or you can leave the dry leaves like that. All you have to be doing is to always start making tea out of it. Okay, pick a handful of the dried leaves like this, a handful of the dried leaves like this, and then it will go with about 600 ml of water, and then boil it on fire for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, your decoction or tea is ready. You drink this tea in the morning, and then in the evening too, you boil another one and drink it. All the medicines we are to heal ourselves are all found in herbs. That is why he said the herbs are for the healing of the nation. Okay, kindly share the video to your friends and family and people around you, and if you have made it to this far, just say hello to me. When you say hello, I want to know whether you have watched it to this far. So all those who have watched it to this far, please just say hello to me under the comment section, and when you do that, I will personally say hi, and then I will you just leave me. I will ask of your number wherever you are. The moment you put your number out there, I am going to call you personally and then give you more tips on health. You get to talk to me one-on-one. You understand? So if you have made it so far, just say hello under the comment section, and I really appreciate your effort very, very much. Thank you very much for watching. Share, like I said, and kindly subscribe to the channel and like it. I'll see you in my next one. Have a nice day.